What if I told you Ethereum is processing near record transaction volume right now, but nobody's talking about it? While Bitcoin consolidates around $115,000 and everyone's chasing the next 100x moonshot, Ethereum just quietly hit 1.87 million daily transactions, just shy of its all-time high. But here's the twist. ETH only gained 2.16% despite this massive utility surge. What's really happening here? I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and today's Crypto Pulse update reveals why smart money is watching utility over price and what it means for your portfolio. Welcome to Crypto Pulse, your twice-daily injection of actionable crypto intelligence. If you're new here, we deliver the signal through the noise so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Let's jump into today's market overview before we examine this Ethereum explosion. Bitcoin sits at 114,650D, up a modest 0.90% as it consolidates in this new range. Ethereum at $3,662 with that 2.16% gain we mentioned. XRP up 1.76% to 2.98, while Solana shows strength at 167.26, gaining 2.60%. Looking at sectors, we're seeing strength in liquid restaking with a 5% mindshare surge, buybacks up 15.16% showing platform tokens remain resilient, and L1 infrastructure holding strong at 14.06%. Market sentiment sits at 66.44, solidly in greed territory but showing slight cooling from yesterday. Overall market cap stands at $2,028 trillion with $31.7 billion in 24-hour volume. Now let's examine today's spotlight. Ethereum's network activity explosion. Ethereum just processed 1.87 million daily transactions. That's within striking distance of January 2024's all-time high of 1.96 million. But here's what makes this fascinating. ETH price only gained 2.16%. In previous cycles, this level of network activity would typically drive much larger price movements. What we're witnessing is a fundamental shift in crypto market dynamics, one that validates the infrastructure thesis we've been discussing for months. This isn't speculative froth driving transactions. It's real utility. The Genius Act regulatory clarity has unleashed stablecoin trading and DeFi activity, driving organic usage on Ethereum's network. Institutions are validating Ethereum as the settlement layer for digital finance. This divergence between network activity and price action tells us something crucial. We're witnessing infrastructure validation before price discovery. Think about it. In mature markets, utility growth often precedes price appreciation by weeks or months. This pattern suggests smart money is positioning while retail remains distracted by short-term price movements. The derivatives market supports this thesis. ETH funding rates sit at plus 0.66%, strongly positive but not in extreme territory. This indicates institutional optimism without the speculative excess we'd see in a hype-driven rally. Meanwhile, mixed finance has exploded 63.5% after introducing zero slippage derivatives trading, further evidence that infrastructure innovation driving real utility gets rewarded in this market phase. We're also seeing Vitalik push for revolutionary sub-1-hour L2 withdrawals via zero-knowledge proofs. This technical roadmap could cement Ethereum's position as the default asset issuance platform globally. All these developments point to one conclusion. The infrastructure thesis isn't just validated, it's accelerating. Ethereum is processing near-record transaction volume because it's becoming the backbone of digital finance. So what does this mean for your strategy? First, monitor Ethereum's transaction volume sustainability above 1.8 million daily. If this level holds or increases, it strongly validates institutional adoption. Second, track stablecoin adoption acceleration post-Genius Act. Regulatory clarity is driving real-world financial flows into the ecosystem. Third, consider exposure to infrastructure plays that enable this utility explosion. L2 scaling solutions, ZK-proof technologies, and settlement layer optimizations. Remember this market principle. Utility leads, speculation follows. The strongest bull cases often emerge when network fundamentals outpace price action. Exactly what we're seeing with Ethereum right now. What do you think? Are we witnessing Ethereum's final evolution from speculation vehicle to global settlement layer? Is this the infrastructure validation moment institutions have been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I respond to every insightful comment. That's your Crypto Pulse update for current time. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. If you found this analysis valuable, tap that like button and subscribe for our twice daily updates. Until next time, keep your finger on the pulse.